everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm doing a dessert called Circus Peanut Jello Salad. And this recipe was sent from one of our subscribers in New York, and her name is Diane. And the ingredients in this recipe were kind of hard to find. We went to several stores, but these are what they are. Circus Peanuts, and it calls for 32 in the recipe, but then you have about 12 to go on top of it. So here's the peanuts and the Jello that goes in it, and the pineapple and Cool Whip. So let me get started on cutting up these peanuts, and I'll be back. My first step is I'm going to cut up 32 peanuts. And when you do this recipe, remember to save out 12 of them to go on the top. So now I'm going to cut these. I wonder how it would do if you just broke them. I like that method better. Try it your own way, but I like breaking them best. Okay, and I've never made this recipe. Like I said, it was one of our subscribers who sent it to us. And if any of you want to send us a recipe, we'll try our best to make it. Okay, the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to put 1/4 cup of water in this and microwave it for about a minute, or as long as I need it to melt. This right here is really hot water, so I'm going to put 1/4 cup in. And then I'm going to take it over here to the microwave and microwave it for a minute or longer. It's been in there for a minute, and so I'm going to put it back in there because it's not quite melted. Okay, I have my Circus Peanuts melted now. It took me actually about a minute and 30 seconds longer. And so, but they're smooth now. So now I'm going to be adding my Jello mixture into 3/4 cups of warm water, and stir it until it's dissolved. Over here I have 3/4 cups of warm water. stir this until it's dissolved. Maybe not so vigorously. Orange Jello smells good. Okay, I have my Jello mixture dissolved now, and so I'm going to put it into my Circus Peanuts. Just a little bit. Okay. Now then, I'm going to add my pineapple in. And this is undrained. It's a whole can of pineapple. I just put my pineapple in, and I've got it all mixed up now. So now I'm going to be putting this in the refrigerator for 15 minutes and let it cool. It's been cooling in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. So now I'm going to be adding in my Cool Whip.
It makes a big bowl full, don't it?
Yeah, it does. I can see where you might need a bigger bowl.
Well, I'm starting to like the texture a little better now. I was a little concerned at first because those Circus Peanuts didn't look like they were going to blend up good, did they?
They didn't blend up as smooth as I thought they were going to.
Yeah, they don't have a real good marshmallow texture to it. It may just be the brand that we got, but that's looking a lot better since you're doing that. Let me come over and get a close-up picture because that looks real good.
I think that's just about stirred good enough. Oh, this recipe was real popular back in the 50s. Okay. All right. Now then I'm going to put it in my sprayed 9x13 pan. Hopefully without too much splashing. This looks like a good fall dessert with this orange color. Let me wipe my hand a little bit here. Okay. All right, I'm gonna set this in the refrigerator until it sets up, and then I'll be back and cut it out in little squares, and I'll put the Circus Peanuts on top of it. So I'll be back in a little while. Hi everyone, my Circus Peanut Jello salad has been in the refrigerator for about 4.5 hours. So I'm fixing to cut it up and see what it tastes like. It is a little chunkier than what we thought it would be. Ooh. It's coming a thunderstorm out there, and it just lightened. So anytime I see lightning, I jump. But let me get this cut, and we'll see how it tastes. Now I'm going to be putting on my Circus Peanuts. This sure does make a pretty dessert. It's thundering. I guess you can hear it in the background. Alright. Now then now then I'm going to do the taste test, and I hope that this has set up enough for me to get it out. This is the scary part right here when you're working with Jello. That did pretty good.
That did real good. Looks pretty.
Yeah, let me get a fork. Naturally, this is the fun part. The taste test. That is really good. Can taste the pineapple in it and the orange flavor in it. I think if y'all try this dessert, you're really gonna like it. So this right here was a really good dessert, and I'd like to thank Diane for sending it to us from New York. And so y'all have a great evening. We're fixing to have a nice Georgia thunderstorm here. And so we're gonna have this for our dessert tonight with our meal that we're fixing to have. So y'all do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great evening. Bye.